Hey guys, it's Tim coming at you with a Justice League related video for this week. So one thing that's been a staple of Aquaman, especially in recent years, has been his Trident, which gives him power over the sea. It's both a weapon and a symbol of his status as King of Atlantis. But it seems that in his appearance in Justice League, he won't have it. At least not yet. This isn't to say that he doesn't wield a trident-like weapon, we've seen it in the trailers, but Aquaman's actor Jason Momoa explains this 5-pronged weapon that he's using. I didn't call it a trident, it's a quindent. We don't call it that in the movie, and when you watch Aquaman, you're going to see him go for the trident. So everyone's just got to stay tuned for a hot minute. He goes on to explain where he got his quindent, which shows that he's not on the throne in this film. He's not the king yet. He looks to Mira and goes, "I need to borrow something. I need you to do me a favor." So that's when she gives him the equipment. Based on what was said, the true trident lies with the king himself, which seems to be Ocean Master at the time of Justice League. So there you have it, guys. Aquaman won't have his trident in this movie. But what do you guys think? When he goes for the trident in his own movie, will you think we'll see its powers in all its glory? Well, as always, let us know down in the comments, and if you're interested in hearing more videos like this, feel free to click that subscribe button and the bell next to it to be immediately informed whenever a new video goes up. But until next time, this has been Tim from the Hybrid Network, signing out. Check out our Facebook and Twitter for our latest updates, our website for our latest articles and editorials, and donate to our Patreon if you'd like to see our content get better.